In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile private and only accessible to logged in users. If you want to limit how visible your profile is on search engines and to people who are not signed into LinkedIn, this is a simple setting you can change in just a few clicks. This can be useful if you want more control over your online presence while still keeping your profile available to LinkedIn members. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your main feed. This is the homepage you see after logging in. Once you're there, look for your profile menu near the top of the screen and click on it. This opens the account menu where you can access your personal settings. From that drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of the controls related to your account, visibility, and profile preferences. If you've never been here before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward and we're only going into one specific section. After the Settings and Privacy page opens, click on Visibility. This area controls who can see your profile and how your information appears both on LinkedIn and outside of it. Since the goal here is to reduce public access, this is the section you need. Next, find and click Public Profile Settings. This option takes you to the page that manages whether your profile can be viewed publicly by people who are not logged into LinkedIn, including through search engines. If your public profile is turned on, parts of your profile may be visible outside the platform. Once you're on that page, look for the setting called Your Profile's Public Visibility. Turn this setting off. When you disable it, your LinkedIn profile will no longer be publicly viewable, which means people generally need to be logged into LinkedIn to access it. This is the key change that makes your profile private from the public web. It's a good option if you want to maintain a professional presence on LinkedIn without exposing your profile to everyone online. After making the change, LinkedIn should save it automatically. It's a good idea to review the page for a moment and make sure the visibility toggle is definitely off before you leave. If needed, you can always come back later and turn it on again. And that's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn settings to make your profile private and only accessible to logged in users.